In this video, I want to quickly show you the two features introduced in OxyPowerPack version 1.1. The first feature fixes an issue that happens very often when working on a site for several days. Eventually, the WordPress session expires, but Oxygen Builder lets you continue working as normal until you want to save. For example, I'm working on the OxyPowerPack homepage and I want to add an emoji to this text block. But my session expired. I log out in another browser tab and Oxygen is not aware of that. When I try to save the document, it happens this, the infamous wheel of death. And there's nothing we can do to recover the latest changes. Even if I log in using another tab and remove the wheel of death using the inspector, it won't allow me to save, because Oxygen uses a security code that is now invalid. If we had a lot of unsaved changes, we will rage against Oxygen and write a hate post in Oxygen's Facebook group. Thankfully, in this case I only had an emoji, and I can lose it. To avoid this situation, with OxyPowerPack 1.1 comes a new setting called Relogging Window. After activating this setting, we must refresh the editor to get the new settings, and we will never lose a change again. I'm going to log out using another browser tab to see what happens now in Oxygen Builder. And there is it. A login window appears automatically, allowing us to log in and continue working. Let's add the emoji again and save the document to make sure everything works good. Excellent. And why not? Let's log out again to see that login window one more time. And there it is. Everything working as expected. The second feature introduced in OxyPowerPack 1.1 is the external SASS workflow. This is a great feature for advanced users who like to write styles using SASS. It is a Gulp script that you have to copy to your computer, configure it to connect with OxyPowerPack, and with a single command it compiles your SASS and uploads it to your site, storing the generated CSS in an Oxygen style sheet. You can find the link to the repository in the OxyPowerPack settings page. Right now, we are seeing the command working, and as this is the first time we run the command, we have to refresh Oxygen Builder in order to see the changes, because the Oxygen style sheet doesn't exist yet. But after the refresh, we can continue working. As we can see here, under Style Sheets, uncategorized, there is our OxyPowerPack Styles style sheet with all our SASS compiled. Let's add some classes to the container and the button to match the ones we have in SASS. And there it is. The button just turned black. We can change the color in SASS and run the command again to see how it updates the style sheet inside Oxygen Builder dynamically. You can find step-by-step instructions in the project repository. Thank you for watching.